But here we see that the gopis are saying, oh, Krishna, you're speaking with forked tongue. Because in the Gita, you're saying if anyone comes to you, if they come to you, they never return. So we've come to you. And you're telling us to go back to the village of Gokul? You follow? So it's like, you're a double talker. You're double crossing us, you know. And you know, in a mafia, if you double cross somebody, it's like bye bye. So this Krishna is speaking in a double talk here. So I'm saying, on one side, Krishna himself is saying in the battlefield of Kurukshetra 4 times in Gita, Janma karma chame divyam evam yo vati tatvata tyaktva deham punar janma nayati mameti sorjana. Chapter 4, verse 9. One who understands my Braj Leela and my escapades with the gopis, he'll never come back to this material world. Chapter 4, chapter 15, chapter 8, everywhere. Krishna is promising. It's a one-way ticket. It's a one-way street. You don't go there and get envious of Krishna and come here. No. Here we're envious of each other. Here we're envious of each other and we stay here. But it's not that you're envious of Krishna and you leave there. Because you can't even get there until you park your envy in the material world. Material world is a place of envy, and that's in the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, verse 20, something, 3. Icha dvesha samutena dvandva mohena bharata. Or? Sarva bhutani samoham. Sarge. Yanti. Parantapa. There they go. Again and again, Yanti. So he's saying in this verse, he's saying, Icha dvesha samutena dvandva mohena bharata. Everyone is born in this material world because of icha, and dvesh. So life after life, we're born here because of desire, icha. And dvesh means envy. Sarva bhuta sammoham. Everybody, all the living, all the bhutas, not humans, all the bhutas. Snakes are envious. Dogs have desire. So sarva bhuta sammoha. Every living entity is moha, sammoha. Krishna says, absolutely, completely bewildered and an illusion because of envy and desire. So this is the material world. This is the karmastan. And what keeps one in the world of karmastan is envy and desire. So we come into a fold of bhaktas and we're envious of each other. And we're desirous. Oh, I want to be the temple commander. I want to be the temple president. I want to be